Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert offline video in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then I will show that insert offline video. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click, then click for the object option. Now for click, then click with the object bar. Now click with the create from file, then click for the browse option, then any source file is open your video, then now for select, now click for the insert option, then click for the display as icon option. Now for click, then click for the OK. That's it. Then I show the insert offline video in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.